I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to update your address with BMO Bank, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the BMO website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. This is the easiest way to access your account information. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Settings section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Address Update. In the Profile Settings, find the option for Address Update or Personal Information. Click on it to begin the update process. Step 4. Enter new address. Fill in your new address details in the provided fields. Make sure to double check for any typos, as this can lead to issues with your account. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, look for the Save or Submit button to finalize the update. You should receive a confirmation message once it is successful. Updating your address with BMO Bank is straightforward. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact customer support for assistance. Happy banking!